Hello everyone, I'm Tbit Kelly representing AIM Tutorials, and I'm going to guide you in this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install NoPayStation browser in your Windows PC. NoPayStation is an app designed for users to download titles, DLCs, updates, and themes on their PC or Mac and then transferred over to the PlayStation consoles. These downloads are from users who actually brought the downloads and uploaded it to NoPayStation for everyone's enjoyment. First, you need the package files before installation. To do that, open your browser and copy-paste the download link given in description and download the file. Locate your downloaded file and double-click on it to extract the files. Select your desired extraction directory and when done, click on Extract to extract the files. Open the folder containing the extracted files. Launch the NoPayStation browser. Don't worry about this pop-up window, just click OK. Now in this new window, you will need to load the files in the game list folder which is found in your extracted folder. Make sure you load any game file in its corresponding box. Take time to read their names and extensions before extraction. choose your Unpack directory. This directory defines where you will find all your downloaded games. Now locate the package2.zip file found in your extracted folder and load it. Now, uncheck the delete files after successful unpack. Now close this window and the NoPayStation browser will load up automatically. Here is the NoPayStation browser with many games all free. Just select or search for any game of your choice and click on the download and unpack option on the right hand side of the browser. Below, you will find all your downloads. Once download is complete, you will find it in your chosen download and unpack directory you choose in your previous steps. Hit the like button below and don't forget to subscribe and switch the bell icon to be notified of our new uploads.